India's democracy is a beacon of hope powered by the votes of millions. But what happens when those votes are at risk? The Supreme Court is stepping in, scrutinizing the Election Commission's special intensive revision of voter rolls in Bihar. With the court warning, we will interfere if there is any deviation. Let's explore the critical issue threatening the right to vote. On June 24, 2025, the Election Commission of India launched a special intensive revision or SIR in Bihar to update electoral rolls before the assembly elections. What's the goal? To ensure only eligible citizens vote by removing duplicates, deceased voters or non-residents. The Election Commission of India claims 22 lakh voters have died and 36 lakhs have migrated since the last major revision in 2003. But this massive exercise covering nearly 8 crore voters has raised alarms about mass exclusion. Petitioners, including the Association for Democratic Reforms and activist Yogendra Yadav, argues that the SIR could defranchise up to 65 lakh eligible voters. They say the process violates constitutional rights to equality and voting under Articles 14, 19, 21, 325 and 326. The strict requirement for fresh proof of citizenship, excluding widely held IDs like Aadhaar and ration card, is a major concern, especially in a state with high poverty and migration. The Supreme Court, led by Justices Suryakant and Joymala Bagchi, took up the case. They urged the Election Commission of India to prioritize mass inclusion, not mass exclusion, and questioned why Aadhaar and voter IDs were excluded, noting any document can be forged, but Aadhaar has a presumption of correctness. The court refused to hold the SIR but warned, the moment they deviate from the notification, we will interfere. They have set the final hearings for August 12 and 13, 2025 to ensure no eligible voter is left behind. The Election Commission of India defends the SIR, saying it's transparent, with 94.68% of voters already covered and no deletions without a hearing. They argue it is necessary due to urban migration and outdated rolls. But critics highlight flaws. Electoral registration officers have unchecked discretion and enumeration forms are reportedly being filled without voter consent. In some cases, even deceased voters' forms were submitted, raising fears of fraud. With the draft roll due on August 1, 2025, time is running out for appeals. The Supreme Court scrutiny is a game changer. Justices questioned the SIR's timing so close to the November's election and emphasized that determining citizenship isn't the Election Commission of India's job. That's for the Home Ministry. Petitioners argue the process unfairly burdens voters, especially those already on rolls since 2003, to reprove their eligibility. The right to vote is the cornerstone of democracy. As the Supreme Court watches closely, promising to intervene if the Election Commission of India falters. The Bihar case could reshape how India ensures fair elections.